Tom Rodriguez is a proud dad. Kasabay ng pag-amin ay iflinex pa niya ang sketches ng kanyang 4-month-old son na kanyang greatest source of inspiration ngayon. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Mapupungay ng mga mata, nakakakilig na kakyutan, at nakakatuwa na ngiti na may dimple pa. Ang mga sketches na ito, drawing ng 4-month-old son ni Kapuso leading man Tom Rodriguez. Nanahimik man daw siya ng ilang buwan, hindi raw ito nangangahulugan na itatago niya ang kanyang bagong source of joy.
He's my greatest source of inspiration and very kasi I never hit naman. He's 4 months today. Inisip ko if I want to keep it to myself or not. Corbin, sige. Corbin. K-O-R-B-E-N. Because David's covenant with the Lord was his broken soul. So and he brought it back to him. Parang binuo niya uli. So Corbin is an anagram for broken.
Sketches daw muna ni Baby Corbin ang kanyang ilalabas para na rin sa privacy ng kanyang mag-ina na hindi taga-showbiz at nasa Amerika ngayon. Nagpaplano na raw sila kung paano at saan sila magse-settle down para mabuo ang kanilang pamilya.
Just Daddy will do everything he can to make sure that he's well, not just in mind, body, spirit. So hopefully I can be a great example for him. So that's what I strive for. Strive to be a good person. Pag nadapa tayo, you keep going back up, dust your knees, try to live a righteous life pa rin. You know, we all make mistakes, but we keep moving forward.
Back to his regular grind na si Tom. Bukod sa afternoon prime series na Lilet Matias, Attorney at Law, ipapalabas na rin ang reunion movie nila ni Rian Ramos na Wag Mo Kong Iwan.
Our last one was 2014 pa. We're so excited. It's so peculiar because you're essentially the same but different people. Parang years have passed, so much has changed, and yet at the same time, something always remains.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happening.